To connect your Oppo Enco Buds 2 with your PC or a laptop, first we need to enter pairing mode on our earbuds. Here I have a case with them. We need to open it and then remove both of the earbuds. Close the case, and now we need to press on the touch panel right here on both of the earbuds, like that, while wearing them. So you need to wear them, and right now currently I'm gonna equip them. And I'm pressing the buttons right now, and let's wait till they enter a pairing mode. So I'm in the pairing mode, which means we can enter a Bluetooth settings on our PC, click on the Wi-Fi sign, then on the arrow next to the Bluetooth, and here open more Bluetooth settings. You will see something like that, then select the plus button to add your device. And here we have it, our Oppo Enco Buds 2 connected with a PC.